really hurts so much when you get out of the gates with a young team like that and you've only won 4 in the first, basically month of the season. It's hard to come back from.
Duchesne getting the line. Could not get away. Good check by Shaw. Prevented the rush.
That was Shaw covering up for Nicholas Hjalmarsson, who kind of jumped up on the play, so Shaw covered for him and did a great defensive play.
Duchesne backhands to center ice. Hjalmarsson, he's had a -1 the last 2 games. That's been a real rarity for him and a really good year. Hjalmarsson plus 25 entering play. He's second best on the Hawks team with that number. Aliana cleared it ahead. Vaughn is checked on the boards. And the Avs will come out. Cody McLeod going wide. A weak shot handled by Darling, who will capture for a whistle. 7.5 gone by in a scoreless first in Denver.